This is a quick video to show you how to bind your Beta95x with Frsky receiver to a Radiomaster Tx16. The first thing to do is to press the bind button on the receiver, while simultaneously plugging in the drone battery. If done correctly, the receiver will now be in bind mode. You can tell as the green and red lights are solid. Now on your radio, go to the model screen, then scroll to the TX settings. Select Multi, then Frsky, and then D16. 8 channels on the menu. Now scroll down and press the bind button, then select 1 to 8 telemetry on option. You should hear a little chirp sound on the radio to show it is now in bind mode. After a few seconds, you will notice that the lights on the receiver change so that the red light is flashing. This means the receiver has been bound to your radio. Now you can power cycle both the drone and your radio. When powering on, you will now see a solid green light on the receiver. This means it is connected to your radio. If you turn off the radio, the light on the receiver flashes red. This indicates that it has lost connection to your radio and all hope is lost. When you turn the radio back on, it will connect to the receiver and the light will now be solid green again. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.